What up, y'all? It's your boy Braheem.Larke, aka Mr. Grinder Star, back with another video. Today we are going to break down a simple online framework that helped me generate over 45K in a little over 12 months. Most people trying to make money online are wasting years doing the wrong things, and I know that because I was one of them, right? If you're working a 9 to 5, trying to figure out how to make an extra income online, but everything feels confusing, overwhelming, or it's just not working, sit with me for a minute because I'm going to show you a simple system that helped me generate over $45,000 online using content. Now, my journey didn't start with success. It actually started with confusion. I got into the online business space back in 2017, network marketing. Now, I want to share something real with you. When I first started in the online space, I was excited, but more than anything, I was actually mad because I realized something. They don't teach us how to make money in school, right? We're taught to go to school, get a job, work for the rest of your life, but nobody really shows you another way. And when I found out that there was another way, I felt like everybody needed to know, right? That was my mindset. I wasn't focused on the money at first. I was actually focused on helping people, showing people what was possible. And honestly, that's when I saw my most success. I made multiple six figures in that space. But over time, as the money started coming in, I lost sight of that. It became more about chasing the next sale, focusing on the money, instead of focusing on helping people. And I'm going to be honest with you. That's when I started to see a shift, not in just how I felt, but even in my income. Because when you lose the mission, you lose the connection. And it wasn't until I got introduced to a different environment and got around the right people again that it reminded me why I started in the first place. Not just to make money, but to actually help people understand that there is another way. A way where you can use your phone, you can use your voice, and you can use your experiences and actually build something for yourself. Using the simple framework I'm about to show you, I built over 27,000 followers on TikTok, generated over $45,000 online, and made dozens of product sales, right? But honestly, the biggest thing wasn't the money. It was realizing that this could be repeated. And more importantly, it can be taught. So let me break this down in the simplest way possible. Everything online comes down to this. The first thing is content, right? You create content that provides value, insight, or perspective. The second thing is an audience. That content attracts attention and builds an audience. The third thing is trust. When you consistently show up, people begin to trust you. And the fourth thing is sales. When you got that trust and the trust is present, sales become natural. So that's what I call the content to audience to trust to sales system. Now, here's where most people overcomplicate this, right? They think they need a product, a website, a big following. Nah, you don't need that, right? You don't. Some of the fastest ways to start is actually by selling digital products that already exist that you didn't have to create. That means no product creation, no tech overwhelm, no inventory. Your job is super simple. Create content, attract attention, and connect with people to a solution. If you're wondering what to post, I use a simple 3-video strategy, right? My story, which is my journey, teaching, which gives value, and invitation, which is the next step. That's it. No overcomplicating, no perfection, just consistency. Now, if you're sitting here thinking, okay, this actually makes sense, but I still don't know where to start. That's exactly why I created something just for you, right? I put together a step-by-step blueprint that breaks this entire system down, from finding your niche to creating content to actually turning that into income. So it's no complicated tech, just a system built around attention, trust, and value. If you control the attention, you control the opportunity. So if you're ready to stop guessing and actually follow a system, check the link in my description and I'll show you exactly how this works step by step. Oh yeah, I forgot. If you got some value from this video, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share and get it out to the next person that it might help.